Hey guys, it's Tearing It Up here with my cousin Megan, and I would like to say I'm sorry for not making a video in a very long time. Moving on, today we decided to do the 100 questions tag we found on the internet, so that should be fun. And so let's begin. Hello, reporting live from Channel 4 News, I'm Taryn, and this is Megan.
Hi.
Today, we'll be answering 100 questions tag, and I pulled Megan off the streets, so she's a random stranger.
Confirmed.
Shall we continue? We shall. Nice to meet you.
I'm only here because I'm getting paid.
That's a lie.
By
Question
Butterfingers.
1. Do you sleep with your closet doors open or closed?
I'm friends with the monsters under my bed.
Question 2. Do you take the shampoos and conditioners from the hotel?
Well, am I not supposed to?
Question 3. Do you sleep with your sheets tucked in or out?
I sleep with the cardboard tucked in because I sleep on the streets.
Question 4. Have you ever stolen a street sign before?
I live on the streets and they're mine, so.
Question 5. Do you like to use post-it notes?
No. Recycle.
Question 6. Do you cut out coupons if you never use them?
I don't have scissors, so I use my finger.
Question 7. Would you rather be attacked by a big bear or a swarm of bees?
A big bear.
Tell me when it starts boiling. Give me a
Why a bear?
I could probably seduce it.
Do you have a growl you would use to attract this bear?
Grr!
Question 8. Do you have freckles?
I have freckles down there.
Okay. Question 9. Do you always smile for pictures?
No.
Question 10. What is your biggest pet peeve? I removed this because she gave an inappropriate answer.
I was playing a whole.
Question 11. Do you ever count your steps when you walk?
How do you count?
Question 12. Have you ever peed in the woods?
No, but I peed in the city. Yeah.
Question 13. What about
People-
pooped?
Yeah, people throw dollar bills when it's like large.
Question 14. Do you ever dance even if there's no music playing?
I can't afford music.
Can you demonstrate your moves? Sit
I
down, sit
prefer
down.
a pole.
Please don't. Please don't. Okay. Question 15. Do you chew your pens and pencils?
If you mean pens and pencils by dick, then yes.
She's a winner. Guys, what's your phone number?
413.
Question 16. How many people have you slept with this week?
I don't know if this counts, but a potato head.
Okay, we are moving on. Really,
They'll be
100
getting some
questions.
tonight.
This is going to take a while. Question 17. What size is your bed?
Cardboard.
Question 18. What is your song of the week?
I don't. Sorry, there was a hairball. I can't afford.
Okay. Question 19. Is it okay for guys to wear pink?
No.
Question 20. Do you still watch cartoons?
I don't have a television.
Question 21. What is your least favorite movie?
Every movie, I don't watch them. I don't.
22. Where would you bury hidden treasure if you had some?
My cooch.
23. What do you drink with dinner?
I don't have dinner. I can't afford it.
Question
It's gonna
24.
sound disgusting.
What do you dip a chicken nugget in?
My toe fungus.
Okay. Question 25. What is your favorite food?
Food I don't get to eat like ever. So
26. What movies could you watch over and over again and still love?
never seen a movie before. What is this contraption?
Question 27. Last person you kissed or kissed you?
Mr. Potato Head.
Question 28. Were you ever a Girl Scout?
No.
Question 29. Would you ever strip or pose nude in a magazine?
I already have, honey.
Question 30. When was the last time you wrote a letter to someone on paper?
How do you rate? What is paper?
I guess you're illiterate. Question 31. Can you change the oil on a car?
No.
Question 32. Ever gotten a speeding ticket?
I've never driven a car before, but I've tried to drive and like my cardboard, like I've tried to make it into a
Okay.
car.
SpongeBob. Question 30. How would you know about imagination if you don't have a TV?
It's the word on the street.
Question 33. Ever ran out of gas?
Never had gas, so I guess yes.
Question 34. Favorite kind of sandwich?
Any kind. Potato sandwich. Potato salad.
Okay. Question 35. Best thing to eat for breakfast?
Food.
Question 36. What is your usual bedtime?
7 a.m.
Question 37. Are you lazy?
Very.
Question 38. When you were a kid, what did you dress up for as Halloween?
Hitler.
Question 39. What is your Chinese astrological sign?
Hitler.
Question 40. How many languages can you speak?
American.
Question 41. Do you have any magazine subscriptions?
Cardboard Weekly.
Question 42. Which are better, Legos or Lincoln Logs?
Lincoln Logs kind of sounds like poop.
Are you stubborn?
Very.
Who is better, Leno or Letterman?
Cardboard.
Or watch soap opera?
I need some soap.
Are you afraid of heights?
If you pay me, I won't be.
Do you dance in the car? 50 switch, 50 switch, 50 switch, 50 switch.
Question 50. Have you ever used a gun?
I used a BB gun once. For
Like-
science class.
Ow! Last time you got a portrait taken by a photographer.
I seen your photo. I was holding my math book.
52. Do you think musicals are cheesy?
No, my favorite's Wicked. Even though I've never seen it.
3. Is Christmas stressful?
Not if you're getting all the presents.
54. Ever eaten a pierogi? Pierogi?
No.
55. Favorite type of pie? Favorite type of fruit pie?
Apple.
Occupations that you wanted to be when you were a child?
Science teacher. And an archaeologist.
Do you believe in ghosts?
Boo.
58. Do you ever have that deja vu feeling?
All the time, man. Like, whoa.
Do you take a daily vitamin?
Fish oil.
60. Do you wear slippers?
What kind of slippers? I got black ones. But I'm not racist.
You're not racist?
Nope. I appreciate all colors of people.
Do you wear a bathrobe?
I have a Hello Kitty one.
Is it black to match your slippers?
No, it's pink.
What do you wear to bed? What's your first concert?
Truthfully, Ruben stuttered.
It's actually true.
Truth! Okay, truth. Breaking character for a second. True.
Walmart, Kmart, Target.
Walmart's got the best deals.
Here, Adidas.
Puma.
Cheetos or Fritos?
Cheetos. Except for they get all over my hands.
67. Peanuts or sunflower seeds?
Peanuts.
68. Ever hear the group Tres Bien?
Three well? In Spanish means well, three well. I took Spanish for like 4 years now.
Ever taken dance lessons?
Of course, I can do the tap tap tappy.
Is there a profession you picture your future spouse doing?
Race car driver.
61. Can you curl your tongue? 72. Ever
Looks like a hot dog.
Hot dog. 71. 72. Ever want a spelling bee?
No. I lost on the word auditorium.
Have you ever
Also
cried
a
because
true
you're
story.
so happy? Do you own any record albums?
Like CDs or like vinyl?
Any?
I got CDs.
Own a record player?
Nope.
Do you regularly burn incense?
My dad does. Sometimes it smells like death.
Have you ever been in love?
Once I turn my calculator on.
Who would you like to see in concert?
MC squared. I mean MC Hammer. You can't touch this.
9. What was the last concert you saw?
William Control, Fearless Vampire Killers, Baby Suicide, and the Relapse Symphony.
Are you religious?
Me and Jesus are homeboys. Got a problem with the religious life?
No. Hot tea or cold coffee?
Blech!
Sugar or snickerdoodles? Can you swim well?
What?
Can you swim well?
Yep.
You hold your breath without holding your nose? You can do it. Are you patient?
Yes. See what I did there?
Yes. You want a DJ or a band at your wedding?
Blood on the dance floor.
Ever won a contest?
Actually, in the 4th grade, I won a pumpkin carving contest. Mine was the funniest.
I also heard you won a witch casting contest and free beef jerky.
Yes, I won free beef jerky on Twitter. Follow me at MathBook.
Ever had plastic surgery?
Nope, these are real.
Which are better, black or green olives?
Why are you trying to be racist? Oh, hell no. I like all olives. None will be discriminated.
Can you knit or crochet?
Do I look like a grandma?
Best room for a fireplace.
My heart.
You want to get married?
Of course. Not to that brush, though.
If married, how long have you been married?
I'm single and ready to mingle.
94. Who was your high school crush?
I'm not saying.
95. Do you still cry and throw a fit until you have your own way?
Sometimes.
Do you have kids?
Nope.
Do you want kids?
Maybe.
We're gonna get really serious here. Really deep. Down deep. What's your favorite color?
Orange.
Do you miss anyone right now? 99. Last question. Wait, count.
I miss New Year's Day. Shout out to you guys. Love you.
Think about that for a second. New Year's Day, I'm like, but that's like...
That's tomorrow. Well, no, tomorrow's New Year's Eve.
Whatever, but you're like New Year's Day, so I was like...
No, shout out to New Year's Day. Ashley, Danny, Nikki, Anthony, Nick, Mikey.
Okay, I'm gonna go wash all this stuff,
And then
guys.
Jake and Russell, I love you still too.
I'm gonna go wash the stuff, guys. Bye!
Thanks for watching. Hope you had fun and weren't bored.
Probably were.
Bye.
We're not.
The bird machine. Check.
Hello, reporting. Okay, you're quite interesting there. I cut out coupons but never use them.
I don't have scissors.
You cut out.
Okay.
Do you cut out coupons but never use them? Megan.
Sorry, I'm so sorry.
Megan.
I'm trying.
For comedy!
Got lipstick all over her face.
For comedy!
Okay.
Question, this sucks.
Oh, sorry, this hat fell. You know I have to say it's sideways for the swag.
I have to do that again. Megan, I can't put that on YouTube.
Oh, why not? It's not like I said anything bad. I said my cooch.
Fine. You're being stupid.
I know, I'm trying to turn into a hillbilly.
Hi, Grandpa.
Get that in my mouth. Nikes are Adidas,
Adidas, Megan?
Nike or Adidas? Nike or Adidas?
Okay, one more time for the road.
Hitler.